What's happening, YouTube? What's happening, Slydz gang, man? We are back with another banger. You already know how it is, man. Happy holidays, you guys, man. Hey, man, you already know. We got a pretty special thing going on today. We want to pick up the truck. I know you guys are missing it. So, yeah. My bad, I'm eating Starbucks, bro. I got this fire-ass brownie, bro. They got fire brownies, man. Got chocolate all over my hand. But, yeah, I'm here with my baby girl. You already know how we doing it, man. Riding together. You know, sliding together. But we gotta go pick up this truck, but we got some errands to run. I'm at the barbershop. My hair is nappy as hell. So I gotta get my hair cut. That's why I got this Santa hat on. Yeah, so like I said, tomorrow's Christmas. Happy holidays. Thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers, man. It is crazy, man. Thank you guys for 2,000 subs. She got her coffee. I got my brownie. Oh yeah, she said the coffee is trash. Hey, Starbucks, y'all was slacking. But yeah, anyway. Thank you guys for 2K subs. You guys be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your favorite part of the video. You already know what to do. Hey man, hopefully we'll be hitting some meat soon. I know we got a meet tomorrow. Hopefully I can get that for you guys here in Jack's, local meet with Life with Jay. And then we also got a meet coming up. Of course, you know, we got Pensacola next week. I will be in Pensacola, you guys, so you guys get ready for that. Mr. Slydz will be there. And after that, we got the Big L meet. You already know, Big L biatch. So yeah, we're gonna be sliding there to Kingsland, Georgia. So y'all get ready, man. Let's do this. Man, they really messed up my name on this. My name is Rashad. For all of you don't know, my name is Rashad. They got R-A-D.
Radhead.
Bruh.
Radhead.
They really slacking. The best orange juice ever. The best. Gotta get my hair cut, man. Ooh. What's up, man? I'm vlogging today. What's up, Art?
What's up with you, man?
Nothing much. That's my barber, y'all. Bro, look at the art on this man's wall. This is crazy. Got more pictures here. And look at the art right here. Jesus Christ. All right, man. Y'all come to Art. Y'all already know, man. This man, he do good work. You know what I'm saying? And he a Lakers fan. Y'all already know. That man got the Lakers. Hey, show him the Lakers merch.
Yo, my Lakers, yo, you know what I'm saying?
That man, hey, that man, hey. That man do good work.
My Jordan with the purple on in the car. I'm gonna go ahead and do it, man.
I'm vlogging. I'm gonna show these girls what I'm wearing today. So today I'm wearing my olive green boots, all black, shirt from Forever 21, pants from Forever 21.
Damn.
It hurt that bad?
Shit hurt.
My bad, man.
That was the last time my head been picked out.
I didn't mean to do that to you, man.
What you mean, man? That shit hurt. It really do. Ah! Ooh, y'all see it. Ooh, looking good now. Shout out to my boy Art, man. He got me looking right. Hey, baby, do I look sexy?
Yeah.
Hey, yeah.
Ooh. Wait, come here.
All right, y'all, we gotta continue today. Hold on, it's cold as hell. Look.
Wait.
I know y'all see the smoke. Can y'all see that?
Santa hat is in your hair.
Bro, what are you doing?
You have red stuff in your hair.
Oh man, it is cold out here. Jesus Christ. All right, you guys, we made it to Chance's shop, and my boy Drew did the powder coating, man. You already know, man. I'm about to show y'all how this Escalade look, man. It looks beautiful. I've already seen it. It's time for you guys to see it. Let's do it. Oh, she's beautiful. I'm gonna tell y'all what I had done later. But y'all see it, man. This thing hidden. Look at that frame. We had that frame clean, no rust. Bro, what you think, baby?
It's my truck. No.
Oh my God. They getting it cleaned up so we can get out of here. But this thing's clean, bro. For real, this thing is hard. Damn, what's up, man?
How are you?
Damn. This the man behind the job.
Trying.
Jesus Christ, man.
Working his last name.
Y'all already see, man. Chance Customs and Detailing, man. He does everything in his shop in here. Does a lot of hard work. They working on this, man. This thing is beautiful. I was in here the other day. Corvette motor going in that. Look at the paint. It's crazy. And they're doing a full interior swap up. All right, well, as you guys know, for the past few weeks, my truck was on this rack, man. If you've been watching my stories on Instagram, Snapchat, stuff like that, we finally got it out there. Feels good to see it outside again. Oh my God, it looks so beautiful. Shout out to Chance Customs and Detailing, man. You did your thing on this, man. And my boy Drew. I'm gonna take y'all to the powder coat shop. Oh, my boy. What's up?
Hello.
That's Drew right there. That's the powder man. Hey, that's the mad scientist right there. That's that mad scientist right there. That's a license plate cover? Oh, that's hard. Yeah, that's hard. You gotta put that on. That is hard. It's always, of course.
Hit you with the high beams in the back.
That's free advertisement too. Y'all, yeah, they got me advertising, man. That is
You're
hard,
cool
man.
if you work with us.
That's true. Yeah, I mean, yeah. Hey man, y'all are the celebs. Y'all are the celebs, man, not me. Hey yo, Levi, we had this. Hey, tell him we had this thing on. We had this thing on lock, bro. We was in the shop for what? We was in the lab for like 2-3 weeks.
It was like a month.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it went from like a supposed. It went from a supposed 10 days to just like finding things that were wrong and just fixing them. We pretty much just fixed the whole front end on the thing. Okay, so to go over what I got done, 26 by 14 hardcores, as you can see, I already had those on there. 35-inch compressors. We're gonna try to go with 26 by 16s hopefully soon. But I'm not really in a rush for that. But if you see the powder, that's a brand new powder. And yes, it has flake in it. Let the camera focus. That purple also switches to a blue. It's crazy. Also had some fake chrome parts done, which we will get turned into real parts. The rear end has not been done yet, but it will be done. We'll get bags done soon. As you can see, FTS chrome cross member with the purple back plate, custom back plate. The only Escalade doing that right now. We got pretty much every inch of the front end powder coated. I even replaced some plastic pieces on the front. Of course, I got my custom license plate thing. No, it's powder coated.
Powder coated.
Bro, my girl's sister asked, is this a spray paint? Hell no.
She don't know.
Hell no. But yeah, so anyway, 2-inch level also. So we are higher in the front. We were at a 9, now we're at an 11. So it's a little bit more lean, as you can see. We're gonna try to get that closer to the tire, but for now, this looks great. Like, it's still drivable. It's not too squatted. Yeah, this thing is clean. Bro, it's been so long since I've heard this thing start up. They bagging it in. They gotta show the lights. We're about to see how bright these rock lights are, y'all. Also had 24 new rock lights installed. This thing looks good on the inside. This thing is so beautiful, y'all. Jesus Christ, man. Bro. This is the man behind that powder, bro. That powder is hitting.
That powder is awesome.
Hopefully we see it better in the lights. We're about to hit these lights. Let y'all see how this powder looks. But this is crazy. As you can see, of course, follow me on social medias. Snapchat, Instagram, and my YouTube. Of course, Ridin with Slydz. Y'all go ahead and subscribe. If y'all like this truck, you guys go ahead and subscribe, man. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God. Jesus Christ. Yeah, that shit bright. That's brighter than I thought it would be. That shit bright as hell. And that's without wheel lights, you guys.
I know. My sister's like, it looks like you're outside.
That's without wheel lights. So we got one right there, 2 in each well, 24 total. And I think he ran them, made custom plates, custom brackets down the ends. You tell me more about this, man.
We did custom brackets all the way down the side. We got 2 underneath the transmission. We got them over the axle, behind the axle. We got them everywhere. We're gonna add some more in the grill.
Yeah, we're gonna do more in the grill.
Finish it up.
Yeah, see, I just told Levi, I dropped it off, basically told Levi and Drew to have fun with it. And that's basically what they did, man. They put their creation on it.
Show the lighting because it's bouncing off the walls outside in the dark.
Right.
It's crazy.
Bro, there's a truck show tomorrow. We're finished. Hopefully you guys can see that there you go. You can see that flake in there and that gold. And of course you can see that purple kind of flips to a blue kind of. Hits more in the sun. This is crazy. Hey y'all, he even painted my lug key. Look at the flake. Look at the flake on the lug key. Hold on, let me get it over here. There you go. Look at that. Look at that. On my lug key. Come on now. You gonna show us the other shop?
Yeah.
He got another shop, y'all. Over there, I think. He finally got it. It took so long.
Started actually.
This is where you started?
Yeah, I started out of this bay originally.
I didn't know that. It's not bad. So this is gonna be his new shop. He's gonna knock that wall down. That over there is gonna be a show shop. This is gonna be the actual workshop. Probably put another lift in here. Yeah.
It's a whole lot different.
You finally got it.
Finally.
Look at that. Whose boat is this?
They're the customers that do paint or gel coat correction on.
Oh shit. He also does mobile detailing too.
Everything.
He does everything. Bro, his work is superb. Hey Drew, what's your Instagram, man?
Drew24Love.
Hey man, y'all go follow that man.
Yeah.
He does great work. That powder coat, that's all his. Just gotta do a small touch up. Frame is perfect. You just gotta do a small touch up. That's where the lift was when the truck was on the lift. So Levi is gonna take care of that for us. Like I said, I love Levi. He stands behind his work. So yeah, y'all come to him. Y'all check out that frame. That frame was completely stripped down. Hey Levi, how long did this frame take to do? Like
5
a week?
days.
Like yeah, like damn near a week.
5 days.
Like stripped down. This ain't no rattle can bullshit like y'all probably figure. This is all legit. There's pictures and everything.
Oh yeah.
For all you
All the way to the
idiots who
top.
think this is rattle can or may think this is overspray, none of that. This is all legit.
Oh, that's nice.
Frame was stripped down to bare metal. And no, you do not have to take the truck off the damn body or off the frame. For all you idiots who think that, to do a restoration of the frame of the parts you can see. So yes, there's a way around everything. They did that Denali in this purple right there. Same purple I got.
The whole
He got the whole lift done.
full cognito.
Full cognito. Just cleaned up the frame for us a little bit more. Got those final touch-ups, and we are pretty.
You can see all these lights.
Say what?
You can see all these lights under here. That's right.
Oh yeah, it's all done right.
Look at, you got a transmission one too. I built a bracket for that.
Yeah,
You got everything.
everything's clean up under here, man. It was all rusted when I brought this truck. This truck was terrible. But Levi got it right. All right, you guys, as we know, you may know, or if you don't know, of course, we're gonna be doing a rear end, full axles, everything. Gonna do bags and all that stuff. It's gonna be freaking crazy. Damn near SEMA truck status, but it's gonna be crazy, man. Yeah, we about to change the game with this one. So y'all stay tuned. My money is good. Here you go, Levi.
Appreciate it.
Count it, make sure it's there.
You're supposed to go back over and tighten everything after 500 miles. So you have any noises, noises, squeaks, anything of the sort, then we'll go back over and tighten everything up. Make sure you're all good and tight.
Hell yeah. All right, you guys, once again, if you like this truck, man, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you like this video, of course, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Tell me your favorite part of the video. I'm going to go ahead and hit y'all with this music montage of the truck. Let y'all see what they done really did and get this thing out of here.
Look at me go, look at me flex, this not a plane, more like a jet. I heard the song, we ain't impressed, then she heard me, now she undressed. To make it all worse, I got a check. You want a verse, double the check. I wanted this, then I got this, I want that, I'ma get that. This how I look when you threaten and kill it. I gave a warning and they didn't listen. I'm at the ceiling, that's independent. She in the feelings and that's when they finish. I've been around in your cities and states, I taking down on your biddies today. I wanna crown for the busiest days. You just a clown with your minimum wage, word. This how I go when you pop it, this how I go when you hot. Funnier now and I drop it. None of the numbers can job. She be on me and that's true, but I'ma go finish on top. You get what you want when you pop it. You do what you want when you hot. This how I go when you pop it.
All right, y'all see how that looked before? That's proof right there. Look at all that rust. That's terrible. It looks nothing like that now. Y'all already see it. Look at that. Shitty wheel lights. The rock lights look like candles. I don't know what kind of rock lights. Y'all still got them? Bro, these are my old rock lights. These are my... Look, what are these? Like, what is that? Look at this. Bro,
It's your old wire.
we were missing parts and everything. Like, no sway bar.
Damn.
Hubs were
iPhone
messed
9.
up. Yeah, this is crazy. These are rock lights. I don't even know what brand... What brand is this? Like,
Remember what I said?
say
now?
that? What'd you say about fucking up?
What is it?
It's not about how you fuck up, it's about how you fix your fuck ups.
Yeah, and learn it.
I'll see that.
There
You're
you go.
learning
learn
from it.
You gotta
Bro,
learn
this
from
is
it.
why I mess with them.
Everybody
This is
fucks
why you
up,
gotta
just
do it.
fix 'em.
You gotta do it yourself right the first time, because if somebody else does it and fucks up, they're not gonna learn from it like I will.
Exactly. All right, you guys, man. Once again, these two pulled off some awesome work. We got Levi and we got Drew. So we got Levi. Shout yourself out.
I don't know how to shout myself out.
Oh my God, what is the name of your business?
Well, it's Trans Customs and Detailing.
Oh my God. What about you, Drew?
Drew24Love on Instagram.
American Powder Coat.
American Powder Coat.
These guys, man. Sometimes I wonder if they're
Hey,
high.
we're not the YouTubers. We just build trucks over here.
Got my keys back after like a month. Yeah, I'm gonna let you do the honors and start it. So, no, the brake is the big one at the bottom.
Oh, okay.
The big pedal.
All right.
Let's see if she does this. All right, press it down. Now press the engine. She did it. All right, you guys, once again, like I said, 26x14s, 2-inch level, fresh powder, full front end rebuild, a lot of new parts, new hubs, new bearings, all types of new stuff, man. Finally got a sway bar in there. We still got to get the extensions done. I will be back soon. So I think next is off the paint. What y'all do? What y'all think I should do next? Y'all comment, man. We still got some stuff to do. Hopefully I can find some 26x16s, but I love these 26x14 hardcores. Yes, they are for sale. So yeah, if you want to buy them, PM me. Once again, shout out to my boy Levi. I really do appreciate your hard work, man. I will be back. You guys hit him up if you guys need any work done. Middleburg, Florida. You already know, man. Y'all already see it. Quality work. Once again, shout out to my boy Drew also. American Powder Coating.
Yes,
does
sir.
great work. Middleburg, Florida, once again. He did all this, and yes, they will be doing the rear. We just got to get the bags first, and then they're going to be ripping everything out and doing the powder coat in the rear. Yes, this will be a full build. You guys stay tuned. Thank you, man. You say you like it?
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Hell yeah.
Look at this purple.
Yeah, we was all up on it last, not for
Yeah,
last.
the other show, y'all remember him. This guy's cool as hell.
Man, that thing's shot.
Yeah, this is dope.
That's gonna be nice.
All right, you guys, man. Once again, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. I hope you guys like the truck. I know I'm saying this for like the 1,000,000th time, but dude, this work was awesome, man. It turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Thank you guys for everything. Thank you guys for 2K once again. We're gonna get this thing home. Yes, I have a show tomorrow to be at, and I will be in Pensacola next week. And you guys catch me at the L, the exclusive Lean-In show, January 21st. You guys be there. You already know, the baddest truck club in the game. Be there. See you guys later, man. Slydz gang, we out.